Hello, welcome to our English lesson. Today we are going to talk about two important tenses in English, the present simple and the present continuous. We will also learn the difference between action verbs and non-action verbs. By the end of this lesson, we will be able to use these tenses correctly and avoid common mistakes. Let's start. Let's start with the present simple tense. We use the present simple tense to talk about habits and routines. For example, I go to university every day. And the second, facts and general truths. For example, the earth goes around the sun. The third, schedules and timetables. For example, the train leaves at 8 p.m. So, form of present simple: subject plus verb 1 or SES here. For most verbs, we use the base form. I play football, we play football. In the third person singular, he, she, it, we add S or ES. She plays football, he watches TV here. For negative sentences, we use don't or doesn't. I don't like coffee, she doesn't like coffee. For questions, do or does plus subject plus verb. Do you play the guitar? Does he or he? So, now let's look at the present continuous tense. We use the present continuous to talk about actions happening now at the moment of speaking. For example, I am talking to you right now. The second, temporary actions, not permanent. So, for example, she is living in London for 3 months. So, the three future arrangements. For example, we are meeting our teacher tomorrow. Form of present continuous. Subject plus am is are plus verb ing. I'm reading. She is studying. They are playing football. For negatives, subject plus am is are, not verb plus ing. I am not sleeping. He isn't working. For questions, am is are plus subject plus verb ing. Are you listening? Is he writing a letter? So the next, our term, action and non-action verbs. Now let's connect these two tenses with the idea of action and non-action verbs. So action verbs describe things we can see someone doing. Examples: play, eat, run, write, speak, or study. We can use them in both present simple and present continuous. I usually eat breakfast at 8 a.m. This is present simple. Right now I'm eating a sandwich. This is present continuous. And non-action verbs describe states, feelings, emotions, or possession. For example, know, believe, understand, like, love, hate, want, need, or belong. Yeah, belong to yazılasın. So, important. Non-action verbs aren't normally used in continuous form. Correct. I know the answer. Incorrect. I am knowing the answer. This is wrong. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.